everybody, welcome back to my channel Learn with Virali. I'm Virali, your guide on this coding adventure. In episode 3 of Introduction to CSS, we'll understand what are selectors and properties and values that we write in our CSS syntax. So let's get started. CSS selectors are the elements that selects HTML elements based on the element name. As an example, we can have a paragraph tag or a p tag which we can style it using a CSS selector as a p tag, having color as a property which is going to be assigned blue as a value, and again text align as a property and center as the value. Let us move on to understand what are different types of CSS selectors. There are 3 different types of CSS selectors as an ID selector, class selector, and a universal selector. Understanding an ID selector allows us to understand that it uses an ID attribute of an HTML element to select a specific element. The ID of an element is unique within a page, so the ID selector is used to select one unique element. To select an element with a specific ID, write a hash character followed by an ID of the element. An example of an ID selector looks something like this: hash parag1, text align as center, and color as blue. Understanding class selectors makes us understand that it selects HTML elements with a specific class attribute. To select elements with a specific class, write a dot or a period character followed by the class name. As an example, we have center as a class, and then having those properties and values in it, which is text align as center and color as blue. Universal selector, which is a star, selects all HTML elements on the page. So everything is gonna be styled in whichever way you're gonna write star, and inside it you're gonna give the properties and appropriate values to it. As an example, we can see here we have a star, which means an entire page needs to be styled in this manner, having to have color as blue, which is the text color, and then text align should be center for each and every text. If this video was insightful, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, as it helps me to create more such insightful videos. Until then, happy coding.